This video is called What is the best practice trading platform for beginners? And now my choice will be eToro. It's where I started to learn how to trade, and I'll be going through why that is. I'll be going through their platform, their practice trading platform, and going through topics like is it safe and everything you need to know about this trading platform. Okay, so overall, it's a long-term and copy trading platform. So it's for long-term investing, and it also offers copy trading. It's the largest copy trading platform in the world. So copy trading is just really, if you don't want to learn how to trade stocks, you can copy other investors, and when they trade, you trade also. Okay, so eToro is currently one of the best trading platforms in 2023 to buy stocks. It's also a good investment platform for long-term trading. They have incorporated CFD trading and ETFs into their business model. And in recent years, eToro has made numerous improvements that make it suitable for long-term investors, and is one of the first trading platforms to offer 0% commission on stocks. Okay, so it gives a 0% commission on stocks. So that's an added benefit to eToro. Now, looking at eToro pros and cons here. So they offer the free commission-free stock trading. They have the copy trading feature if you don't want to learn how to trade stocks and you just want to copy other popular investors. It's easy to use, and it has a modern website and app. The app, it's very well designed, and it's easy to open an account, and the low first-time deposit is only $10 for some countries. And then to offer fractional shares, and that's the minimum is £10 for fractional shares in the UK. But what that means is that, like, let's say Apple's stock price was $256. Now, some platforms you have to buy the whole share so you have to buy one share. But on eToro, you could just invest $10 into Apple, and you'll be able to buy a fraction of that share. Okay. So there's lots of research tools and a free trading school. Now, let's look at Trustpilot here. It has a good reviews on Trustpilot here. I'll just go to Trustpilot up here. So you can see here on Trustpilot here, it has 19,242 reviews, and it's got an excellence, and it's 4.3, so it's a verified company. And you can see some of the reviews here on eToro. I've been using eToro now for a few years. I have been using eToro and I feel that it's a great platform to invest in. I had very little knowledge of trading at the start, but now a few years on, I've learned a lot. eToro has given me lots of opportunities to take part in their trading webinars and webinars with trading professionals. So they offer a free trading school with that too. I'll show you that here now to have eToro Academy here. Now, I have done my own courses outside of eToro, but if you're interested in completing eToro trading here, you can learn lots about trading in their school. That's free when you sign up. And if you want a free demo account, I'll leave a link in the description, and you get a free demo account. You get 100,000 with that if you sign up through my link here. So you get a free 100,000 practice account. You just join there, and all you need to join is your email address. And you need to pick a username, and make sure that you pick a username that you like, because you can't change it after. Okay, so that's all you need. You don't have to upload any identifying details or anything like that, like your passport, unless you want to trade with real money. Okay, so that's all you need to do that. So let's go back to Trustpilot. So good review there from eToro. So very reliable platform and easy to use. So easy to use, and they have the educational webinars, informative newsletters, etc. Okay, they have account manager too. The more money that you invest, the higher level you go up on eToro, and you get more benefits like subscriptions to the Wall Street Journal, etc. like that. So there's another review there. Stefan, my account manager, is a legend. Now, it's not friendly and reliable. Okay, so let's come down here to see if there's any bad reviews. Now, there's going to be bad reviews too. And a lot of these bad reviews come from people that don't read the terms and conditions, and are either in a country that eToro is not regulated in or doesn't work in, because eToro is regulated, and some countries they cannot offer the service because there's no regulation in that country. So termination of account before it was even activated, no reason given. So probably the reason why here was most people that don't read the terms in English, and in a country that where eToro doesn't, it's not allowed to operate it because of the regulations and things like that. That's usually the problem with this. But eToro is regulated in Europe and the UK and Australia and all of the major Western countries. Now, if we come back here to this website here, let's just look at, if you want to just hear what can you trade on eToro. So you can buy stocks, ETFs, CFDs, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and everything on eToro. That's why I really like eToro. You can trade 2,981 stocks from leading exchanges in the world, such as London, Nasdaq, Hong Kong, Paris, and many more. And that's increasing all the time. So let's go over here to the eToro trading platform. So this is it here. It's very easy to use. It's very simple. It looks like a modern website like Facebook or something like that. But you can see here that if you want to look for stocks, you can just click on stocks up here and it'll load up here. But there we go. We have Amazon, Tesla. So you can see, let's say, just click into Tesla here. And it'll bring you into the page and give you all the stats and everything you need to know about Tesla. It gives you here about the company, and it gives you the charts, their stats, and all their news about Tesla, etc. And you can see the stats for Tesla over the last 6 months, 1 year, how the price has changed. Really easy. And you can see here the market cap, PE ratio, but you learn all about that afterwards. It shows the company financials down here. And if you want to invest in Tesla, all you have to do is click invest. And here it comes up here. So let's say I want to buy just $10. So it's a minimum amount you can invest in. So you're buying a fractional share. And you just want to go here, just leave that, no leverage, okay? Because that will buy the underlying assets. So you're buying a fractional share of Tesla. Now, the stock market is not open at the moment while I'm making this video, because remember, the American stock market is open from 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. And it's the same as the other exchanges in your, like for the UK, etc. It depends on your time zone. But all you do is click this set order, and when the stock market opens, that will buy that fractional share of Tesla, and that will go into my portfolio over here. And then it goes into my portfolio. This is actually my practice account here. So you get 100,000 free when you sign up to practice trading. You can see here I have 8,322 cash available. I have profit of 65,803 on my practice account, and my total is 162,203. Now, that's how easy it is to buy stocks. You see here, I bought this Microsoft a way back, and I'm 1,612 in profit. But remember that this is only a demo account, which is paper trading. It's not real money, but it's a great way to practice trading and get to learn how to trade stocks. Okay, so let's come back here. What else can you do? You can invest in 70 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. If you're interested in that, we all know that cryptocurrencies are way down at the moment. So you can trade 264 of the largest ETFs from the Vanguard iShare and many more. So this is just like a basket of stocks. So 32 commodities such as gold, silver, oil, wheat, etc. And you have all the top indices like the UK 100, Nasdaq 100, and these are all the top companies in each country. That's by market cap, how much they're worth. You have lots of currency pairs, 49 currency pairs like Great Britain, US. And also the copy trading lets you copy the trades of other traders. And so to put it simply, it's trading the financial markets with the help of other traders around the world. So the copy trading is really easy to use. So you can just come here and let's say you want to discover. And if you want to copy these popular investors, so here's one here. This is a popular investor. So he trades his own stocks. And when you copy him, you copy all of his investments and at the same percentage, etc. But it'll be different prices because he bought them at different times. So if you want to copy, you can just, let's say you want to copy with 100. The minimum amount is 200. So let's say 200. Okay, 2000. Let's copy him with 2000 and you can invest. So copy open trades means you copy all of his trades that's opened. So you can invest and that would copy him and copy all of his portfolio. So his portfolio is here. And that would copy all the stocks that he has opened. So you don't even have to learn about trading. And you can look through the stats of this popular investor in here, how much he's made. So he's up 12% this year, 0.7%, 45% in 2021, etc. I can see lots of stats like many copiers he has and his risk score, okay, and things like that. But lots of videos on my YouTube channel to explain all of that. So let's come back here. So what are eToro's fees? Okay, so you can open a free account. Remember, use my link in the description to get a free demo account or free practice account. It's perfect for beginners. There's no management fee and there's 0% commission on stocks. So when you buy and sell ETFs and stocks, there's no commission and the broker pays the transaction fee. In general, it's safe to say eToro's fees are low. Now, some people say that the spread fee, the difference between the buy and sell price, and that's how eToro makes their money and all the brokers is high. But I don't find it too bad because if for long-term investing, you're not buying and selling too often. And also, eToro offers so much more than other platforms. It gives you like lots of tools here, and they also have like, it's like Facebook. It's like a social media aspect where you can talk about like different stocks, etc., and share your results. Now, I don't use this too much because I think it's kind of spammy. But if you don't want to follow people, you can unfollow them and unfollow the assets. When you buy an asset, you're automatically following us. But like, let's say you buy Apple, so you get all of the feed for Apple, but you can unfollow Apple if you don't want, if it's getting too messy here, or you can unfollow people if there's too much there. But it's interesting for beginners, but always do your own research before you invest in stocks and don't listen to other people. Just take it as with a pinch of salt, this, but it can be a little bit spammy, but if you like this, that's up to you. Okay, so next you can see is stocks. eToro doesn't charge any fee when you buy and sell stocks, okay? So it makes it a serious trading platform for investors, but you do have the spread fee, as I said. When you buy and sell crypto, you get 1% fee, and then there's a conversion fee. eToro only works in US dollars. So when you open an account, it's buying and selling the stocks in US dollars. So when you deposit in US dollars, you'll be charged a fee, a conversion fee, like if you change your money at the airport. But there is a way around this. You can get like an account, Revolut or something like that, and you can put your Great Britain pounds or whatever your currency or euro is, and then change it to the US accounts, and then you can just transfer US dollars into your account and you don't get any fee. Now there is a withdrawal fee. There's a $5 for every withdrawal request. So if you withdraw $100, they're going to charge you $105. Overnight fees. So if you're buying, like a lot of other trading platforms, charges overnight fees and weekends fees. But this is only if you're buying CFDs. So if you're using leverage, you would get charged that. But if you don't use leverage and you just buy the underlying stock or asset, you don't get that fee. And as I said, spread fees are recorded when you purchase any asset instrument on eToro, including stocks. So this is the difference between the buy and sell price, a small percentage every time you buy and sell a stock. And there's inactive fee for anyone that has been dormant for over a year. eToro levies a $10 monthly inactivity fee, but that usually never happens because I usually log in at least once a week. Okay, what else can I say about eToro? eToro frequently asked questions. So the minimum deposit is $10 in the UK with a credit card, debit card, and it's usually instant. And the minimum deposit using a bank transfer is $500 and can take up to 2 to 3 days. Now, if you're looking for eToro, has many offices around the world, but their UK office is based here in Canary Wharf, London. And it is regulated, eToro is regulated by the FCA, and it's also regulated in Europe, and it's regulated in Australia. And it also just recently started launching in the USA. So let's go back here just to eToro here. You can see here, this is how easy it is. Remember, make sure you pick a username that you want. You can see here in your portfolio, it's very easy to use. Now, let's say I wanted to sell a stock here. Okay, so maybe I want to sell. So let's say I want to sell, close this trade. Okay, so here all you have to do, so if you want to take that profit, I just go close all, or I can select a specific amount. So let's say I close here. Okay, and I click here, only want to close part of the trade. Let's say I only want to close $100 off the trade. The $100 I invest, and I just click close trade. And that will close when the market opens. You close 100 of that, and that will go into my available balance, and then I can withdraw us back into my bank account or debit card. Now, a big thing when I started out trading was, is the trading platform safe? Because if I'm going to put in my hard-earned money, I want to make sure that eToro is safe, or whatever trading platform is safe. And this is a big question when you start trading. So let's go through eToro here. Is eToro safe? eToro is the stock and ETF broker, CFD trading platform, crypto exchange. The Israel-based platform has more than 25 million users worldwide. Now, that's 25 million users that have signed up for a practice account, but the amount of people that maybe have funded them accounts could be a lot less than that, okay? It's traded in the US, Canada, and UK, Europe, and has Middle East. eToro is regulated, as I said, by the UK Financial Conduct Authority, and it's also CYSEC in Europe, so ASIC in Australia, and also it is regulated in the USA. So eToro manages over 9.4 billion, okay, and its FDIC insures cash deposits and SIPC investments. The company has never reported a security breach or the company money or clients' money lost. eToro deserves your trust. This trading platform is regulated like many of the US peers and can handle billions of dollars safely. Okay, so eToro account security. eToro has invested a lot of time and money into account security. TLS encrypts all data, so all data is encrypted on the eToro network. eToro protects its data with firewalls and cold storage, so that is backup sites in different countries and different areas. And they hire hackers to find firewall flaws or bug bounty programs. So they have multi-factor authentication. Okay, so you need to have your phone to log into your account. So you get a code. So when you log in, they'll send you a code on your phone for safety reasons. And cybersecurity professionals monitor eToro network 24/7 for hacks, etc. So eToro how does it make its money? eToro makes 87% of its money through spread fees. So when you open a trade, you will see a bid price and an ask price, a price you have to pay when buying an asset. The gap between these two prices is called a spread, and eToro makes some money from the spreads. So what happens if eToro goes bankrupt? eToro's structure is similar to most brokers. Your funds are held in segregated bank accounts. So your available balance is held in a bank account, okay? And it's all regulated, etc. So eToro has compensation, like if anything ever happens. So the Cyprus Investors Compensation Fund protects up to 20,000 for eToro Europe. The FSCS compensates investors up to 85,000 for in the UK. So if anything ever happens, goes bankrupt, or etc. So the FINTRA for the USA, investors are insured up to 500,000, and in Australia there's no protection at the moment. But eToro has introduced this free €1 million Great Britain and Australia investment insurance for Lloyd's of London, so that's an extra protection. So some of my thoughts: I think eToro is safe. It's easy to use to trade crypto and other assets. The social trading feature makes it stand out. You can follow traders from all the world, chat with them, and copy their trades. A beginner can trade like a pro. It's fun and easy to learn and make money. You can use leverage and etc. And you can short sell the market, betting that the price will go down. And all in all, it's got unique features, and I would give it a 5 out of 5 experience. I've never had a problem with eToro. Now, if you want to try it for yourself, it's risk-free. Remember, I'll leave the link in the description. and you get that 100,000 practice account. Just enter in your email and pick a unique username, and that's all there is to it. It's what I've been using for the last 2 or 3 years. Really easy to use, really easy to lay it out. Withdrawal funds, everything is there on one page, and the app is pretty good too. So if you liked the video, please subscribe and leave a comment of what you think about eToro. And if you have any questions, just leave them below. And I'll see you soon on the next video. Thanks very much for watching. Bye bye.